Hello everyone, this is Joy and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, China's steel market saw narrow fluctuations without a clear trend. What is behind the market? Let's break it down. November is usually a bit of quiet month when it comes to macro policy. There is not a lot happening on the front, and this year is no different. Now, we did get a CPI and a PPI data for October, and they are slightly better than before. However, the market did not show much positive reaction. Right now, everyone is basically just watching the supply and demand performance. Speaking of which, although the inventory data continues to decline, apparent consumption is also falling steadily. On the supply side, with many mills operating at loss, production has been restrained, and steel output saw a clear drop this week. Overall, both supply and demand are weakening, and steel prices remain in a weak and fluctuating trend. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, apparent demand went down by 63,000 tons, inventory went down by 260,000 tons, and production went down as well. Even with inventories dropping, they are still 22% higher than the same time last year, and demand still sitting at the lowest levels for this season. All in all, only when production cut happens can resolve the issue of high inventory with low demand. Looking ahead, with year-end maintenance and some environmental restrictions coming in, we are probably going to see even less output in the next few weeks. So if we put it all together, supply is tightening a bit, but not dramatically. Demand is still falling and inventory is still too high. Combining all the above, there is no boost for prices to shoot up, and also nothing really crashing down either. It is just more of this narrow volatile sideways trend. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye!